Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We will be comparing two top contenders, the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum comes with a price tag of $229, while the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop is priced at $699. As you can see, there is a significant price difference between the two. If budget is a concern, the AV753 might be a more suitable option. When it comes to cleaning power, both robot vacuums offer impressive features. The AV753 boasts a tri-brush system, combining side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to handle debris on carpets and hard floors. On the other hand, the AI Ultra takes it up a notch with incredible suction power and sonic mopping. It not only vacuums but also mops hard floors simultaneously, giving you a thorough clean. Now let's talk about the smart features. The AV753 allows you to control the vacuum from your phone using the Shark Clean app. You can start and stop cleaning and even schedule the robot to clean whenever you want. It also offers easy voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant integration. The AI Ultra, on the other hand, introduces Matrix Clean, a precision matrix grid that ensures no spots are missed during cleaning. It also has Clean Edge Detect, which uses blasts of air and corner recognition to remove debris from edges and corners, resulting in better edge cleaning. Additionally, it offers precision home mapping with 360 degrees lidar vision, allowing the robot to quickly and accurately map your home for efficient cleaning. In terms of runtime, the AV753 offers a respectable 120-minute runtime, providing whole home cleaning for up to 2 hours. As for maintenance, it comes with a charging dock, 2 side brushes and 1 filter. The AI Ultra, on the other hand, holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris in its self-emptying base. This means you won't have to worry about emptying the dustbin frequently. It also features a self-cleaning brush roll, which is great for picking up pet hair and avoiding hair wrap. You'll receive an XL HEPA self-empty base, 1 filter, 1 side brush, 2 microfiber reusable mopping pads, and a 12 ounces starter vac mop cleaning solution. If you have pets at home, both robot vacuums have got you covered. The AV753 and AI Ultra are designed to pick up pet hair effectively. However, the AI Ultra's powerful suction, sonic mopping, and self-cleaning brush roll make it an excellent choice for homes with pets. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum for its affordable price and effective cleaning performance. However, some reviewers have criticized the poorly designed and unreliable app. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop has impressed customers with its advanced features, thorough cleaning capabilities, and convenience of self-emptying base. The loudness of the AI Ultra is worth the technical aspects according to some reviewers. Both vacuums have received positive feedback for their pet hair pickup abilities. And that concludes our comparison between the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. While the AV753 offers a more budget-friendly option with great cleaning power, the AI Ultra takes cleaning to the next level with its advanced features and smart capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Remember, at Buy Smart, we always strive to help you buy smarter. See you next time.